boy why you make use me, because I hold on to use up blood clot me. Me no look how far Matheron you there in a foreign. Sit down in a studio for me bumbo clot name. Big man, I want to make people lose respect for and this one, you know.
So guys, Dyema is at it again. Dyema diss up Tony Matheron because Tony Matheron try to warn her about her young boyfriend, because Dyema 40 and her boyfriend are 19. And Dyema boyfriend is a dancer, so Tony Matheron try to warn Dyema and tell her, say the boy look like him want to use her and him something, but Dyema not take that. So Dyema diss up Tony Matheron. Dyema go as far as say Tony Matheron never give her nothing for the Dutty Whine dance where she built. Tony Matheron use her and never give her no money, nothing. She not give him out of the dance. So guys, I want to tell me what you think about this video. But before I want to watch the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also put on a post notification. And after I watch the video, comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. But come to think of it, guys, age is just a number. Nobody can tell nobody who they fit there with. If she feel comfortable with her 19-year-old man, make she stay comfortable with her 19-year-old man. People will stop them something. The people will stop through old age from people. Like, that's not right. You understand?
Soon go cook. Me not stop. Me I look at my mouth for me fit live. Me not cutting no life. Me the class them. Them no use me out. Them if you want use me, supposed to use me.
Why use you?
No, but if you want use me, know that. Me not cutting no thing. Go on, man, go for the road. You come in here. Me nah cut it. Me nah cut it. But if you want freestyle, that nothing to do with it. And them big enough for them use me. Matheron use me out too. And me Dutty Whine song and me know their front. What you mean? Wait so long as soon up on my blood clot him for. Matheron have your wife and wanna fuck me busy with me. I come by and talking business. Now come out of my life. Don't tell me that. If you want go sex all 100, you mean not blood clot do with it. Don't have nothing to do with no boy. No man at all no come for stay. And no man at all no care how no married. And no say till death do us part. All man a fuck for all man. The blood here older than the blood clot rasta. He just look all 3 have and beard. That me I tell you no. I'm still 12 years old on the rasta. With that pitney we are 12. Me with this out to no blood clot. Me no want Matheron me no hear them me name I can't talk about. But be careful. Remember say me young him have to freestyle. Him no come have to stay. True look see down that me when he ready for go on him go on and so it go. Blood clot don't know. Eh? Remember me all before him. If him feel like he want Lego too nice while young one and this and he want go about his business, go fuck to young girl. That not have nothing to do with me. We are superstar. We have to freestyle. If you want to go freestyle have a film business, that not nothing to do with blood clot me. How much boy a fuck pan girl when you young? Eh? How much boy a fuck pan girl when you? Who don't want me to sit down and stay blood clot rasta because every day I take back things. Where? When I go and live by blood clot rasta. Come out of my life alone me bumbo clot man alone. I live my 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, that not nothing to do with no suck or no mother. Tell you that one too. The class them. You're older than the blood clot rasta. You build Dutty Whine song with me name and front, you don't put me in no video. You go for how much interview you never big up me yet. You make how much money you never give me $1. And you give me the biggest yours. Me build one of the biggest dads in the world. I mean I get a house or a car out of it. And you alone get everything Matheron. So no come talk about no use boy, yeah. Me no want to no sit down for my bumbo clot name. No boy guy, no girl can't tell me where to live. If a little boy want to use me out, make him use me out. Cause no fun to use me out too. If do this and do that. Fuck do no. And I just all up in my bumbo clot life and I can't tell me what to do. If he want to use me out, him use me out. If he want to fuck me out and throw me, and my crutches, I feel me all. Fuck sweet you know. Here Jesus and no man can't tell nobody where fit there with. Cause someone a big man cocky dead and flimsy. And now go out with nothing go suck no mama me tell that uno. Every time I see man post them man know how they about Rasta this and Rasta blood clot that. What I'm told no, call on me left Rasta. Fuck do no. Me I sit down with boy and they buy me things and take it back. I was sweet you know. When I idiot. A man you build Dutty Whine song with me name and front you don't put me in no video. You go for how much interview you never big up me yet. You make how much money you never give me $1. And you give me the biggest yours. Me build one of the biggest dads in the world. I carry out of it. And you alone get everything Matheron. So no come talk about no use boy, yeah. Me no want to no sit down for my bumbo clot name. No boy guy, no girl can't tell me where to live. If a little boy want to use me out, make him use me out. Cause no fun to use me out too. If you do this and do that. Fuck do no. And I just all up in my bumbo clot life and I can't tell me what to do. If he want to use me out, him use me out. If he want to fuck me out and throw me, and my crutches, I feel me all. Fuck sweet you know. Here Jesus and no man can't tell nobody where fit there with. Cause someone a big man cocky dead and flimsy. And now go out with nothing go suck no mama me tell that uno. Every time I see man post them man know how they about Rasta this and Rasta blood clot that. What I'm told no, call on me left Rasta. fuck do no? Me I sit down with boy and they buy me things them take it back. I was see it, you know. When I idiot. A man